Welcome to Many a Day. This is the beachside bungalow, and we're looking at ways to create things and also look at things that work well and things that might not work well. And so today we're going to look at different things. We're going to look at actually putting plastic earring backs on the wall. I'll show you the post. I'll show you how to do that, and some rings. And this is just a picture of the post on the right. And then we have rings that we attach to the picture. That is really one of the most successful ones we found. And you can see here the little rings that are attached with some tacky glue. And these were paintings I had done. We reduced them and showed them in a video long time ago. And they handled very well. It's been well over a year and they have not fallen yet. Another way is to use tacky glue, which is also called museum wax. And I've had great success with that with lightweight pictures. Now this picture has a cardstock frame around it, so it worked real well. Laminated items like there. You can see pictures with tiny frames have worked, decals, stencils, even this mirror has worked. That's been several years. And so we have just different items all throughout. Even felt banners have worked. All sorts of things that have been really successful. Even the tennis racket you can see here, the dartboard in the back. We've had great success, so it was really exciting. But today I'm going to show you a few other things, and this one is with command strip. The second picture is actually what I used. These are a little smaller than the first one I showed you, but just gives you an idea. You get quite a number of them. And then I just basically used the jump rings, like I showed you earlier with the other one, and put the jump rings on the back of the pictures and then put the command strip hooks on the wall. It's very important to measure and make sure that it's going to be level on the wall. And this is just the tape that you see on the back of a command strip if you've never used one. The beauty is you put a little alcohol on the wall, you lay the strip on, and then you just pull that tab and it's secure. Now we're doing something different because we wanted to take that command strip, put it on the hook on the back of our painting and make sure it wouldn't be seen that much, but also that it would be level with the wall. And it was a challenge. This is a larger canvas than we've used, and it's actually a canvas instead of a mat board. And these are just the different size pictures we used in different rooms. And this is what it looks like once you've attached it to the wall. You can see the little hook and how it's going to actually hook onto the jump ring that's on the back of your painting. And these are all canvases we used in this experiment to see how it would work. You can see these paintings in our acrylic pour painting video that we've done previously. Something else to keep in mind, even with regular wall hangings that you hang in a house, if you've never done this, need to make sure if you're going to have two rings on the back to make sure that the hooks are in the right location so that they will hook onto the rings. And you can see that's what we had to use for this larger picture in the living room, and that was the one downstairs. And it took a while. It's a little challenging because it's a small space and we have larger arms than you would if you were a 12-inch doll, but it just gives you an idea of what we did. And one of the challenges we found was the thicker canvas actually won't stay. After 3 months it dropped and just won't seem to adhere to the wall. But the flatter canvas and the small one did just fine. And like I've said before, I've had no trouble with other paintings and pictures that were real thin and lightweight using the earring post and the jump ring. The museum wax, some things stick better than others. The lighter it is, the better. So just, it's up to you what you want to use, but I hope this was helpful. Appreciate you watching. Hopefully you'll see the other videos and like and subscribe and recommend us. And if you have any suggestions of what's worked for you, I would love to hear them. Thank you very much. Have a great day.